There's nothing quite like free Windows applications. We've got a number of them that you can use, like the Blender File Finder, the Clipboard Vault, the Screen Ghost, different things, screen recorders. All of these are absolutely free. Reference Board, and the Screen GIF Maker. Some of these things will actually be pay over here under the add-ons and our collaborative efforts between Sam and I to create workflow-based add-ons that will help you. GIF Maker is one of them. The OCP proxy is one of them. The room generator, there's a whole bunch of them. Maze Maker, the bevel joints, and a number of different things that will help you absolutely expedite your workflow and get professional results nice and quick. We've got a lot of add-ons we've been working on. Now, if you are a designer, dev, and you want to get into Serpent's add-on creator, this along with some other AI-based integrations will absolutely blow your socks off at what you'll be able to make. The Serpent's packages will give you a number of preset nodes that will create functions for you and do complex things inside the Blender API. You'll have the node capture, you can copy node graphs and move them, all kinds of different things. And of course, the Windows software programs, a number of free softwares you can just come in and download absolutely free. And then for a little fun on the side, you can come over here to the audio section and you'll see a number of different things you can come in and kind of play with. You can check these out and download them and have some fun doing some sound simulations and other things. And of course, under the About page, you'll get a lot more about Sam and what he does. He's my collaboration buddy and he's my friend. So we've gone together and create add-ons. I'll do tutorials, functions, UI stuff. He does the back-end web and very complex dev operations that create the actual program. So his knowledge base and mine sync together nicely as we provide all of these different things for you. A lot of them free and a lot of them are going to be add-ons that are worth picking up. So come on over, check it out. And I appreciate everybody watching and have a blessed day.